Okay, so your task was to write an email to a friend, yes,
who
who asked you about
some advices,
uh,
some
advices or
advice,
advice, some
some
advice,
advice for
learning
his teaching, for his learning English.
for his English studies. Yes, good. Please read.
So I got your mail and I tried to give you some advice for your question. My advice for the beginning
Let's
is
stop here. Some advice for your question. You give advice for a question.
some advice for your problem.
For
your
your
drawing.
problem, maybe. For your problem, maybe. Try to find a better structure. Advice, we give advice to somebody, no? I give
Some
advice to somebody.
to
We
you.
usually give advice to somebody, or we can answer some questions. No, so these advice can be answers to some questions if you ask some questions. So
give you some
advice, simply some advice
regarding
your questions or regarding your learning, yes, your learning process.
My advice for the beginning is to start to learn English with a teacher.
Very good.
It is important that this teacher don't use other language on the class.
Other language on the class.
Other language during the class.
During the class or at class. Yes.
At class.
At class.
You should go.
And when you say other language, means German, Italian, or what?
No, other language. Not German. Yes, other language that English.
Other language that English.
That only
English is used, so no other languages. The native language of the student should not be used.
Yes.
No? Yes, okay. Only English.
You should go to class 3 times a week.
3 times, exactly 3 times, not 4, not twice?
My advice is
good, 3 times. At least 3 times.
At least
yes.
3 times.
Good.
You should use spoken and written language.
Excellent. Good.
About the subjects in which you are interested in.
Excellent. Very good.
Another advice is to learn at home daily, hearing text in English from radio, watching films and reading books in English.
Yes.
It is another improved situation is to start relationship with English native persons on the internet.
Okay, what I don't understand is this improve situation. What do you mean, improve situation? What does
improve
this mean?
Your level, your English level.
Okay, so rephrase it then. Rephrase it somehow because this is not correct. To improve situation. Another way
to improve
your English.
Your English is to start relationship with English native persons on the internet.
Yes, to start to communicate. Yes, good.
I hope my advices are useful for you. My advice.
Advice is plural, similar to information.
Advice are useful for you, and I want to hearing about you and your level after 3 months.
There is a mistake. I want to hearing is incorrect.
I want to hear.
Yes.
I want to hear about you and your level after 3 months.
Very, very good.